Welcome to Ravencroft Graphics 3D's first ever live stream Q&A session. We will be holding this on May 1st, 2020 from 12 p.m. noontime until 12:30 p.m. Please bear with us. This is the first time we're getting into live streaming, so we're getting all the bugs worked out with encoding and all the happy tech jazz that goes with live streaming. Really, it's not as simple as people think. We're learning, so bear with us. So what is a flipped classroom? A flipped classroom is an instructional strategy. It's a type of blended learning focused on student engagement and active learning. Gives the instructor a better opportunity to deal with mixed levels such as beginner, intermediate, and advanced, student difficulties, and differentiated learning styles during in-class time. Normally, we're flipping this classroom all the way around. We are flipping it to online classes so that those of you all who are stuck at home under orders or illness can still learn and have fun doing so. We are expanding the classroom to include group chats online at our Discord channel, live streams on YouTube where we'll have Q&A sessions with those specific classes where you can ask us questions and we will answer. We will also be including a supplementary pre-recorded video along with downloadable content such as worksheets, quizzes, and more with those pre-recorded videos. You can then turn around and post in the community channels for that specific course, which is on our Discord channel. Which brings us to the important parts to remember. There will be several courses from our ESL classes, art classes, and other specialized classes which are being added over the next few weeks. So, make sure you check them all out. Watch until the end as there is more information given at the end. Like and share the videos, and please subscribe to our channel to be notified when new content and events are posted. See you in class. The first link is to our May 1st live stream on YouTube. The second link is to our YouTube channel. The third link is to our Patreon page where you can find additional information and classes. And the fourth link is to our Discord channel where you'll have the chat rooms for the specific classes that we will be having on YouTube and in Discord. Check them out and we'll see you on May 1st.